Good morning students, I am again here and it is my third video of this chapter and chapter 21 data handling, chapter 24 pie charts and first video of this class. Okay dear, and what is the topic of the today class dear? Since it is the first chapter, so we will do introduction and the construction of pie chart. Okay students, so let's start the class. In this slide you can see here that at first introduction we will discuss about the pie chart. What is pie chart? A pie chart is a circular representation of data by the sectors of circle, and the whole circle represents the sum of the value of all its components. Okay dear, and to find the central angle for a component there will be a one formula dear. We will write the value of component which is given in question, and we will add all the total value, then we will get total value and into 360 degree to convert it into degree. Okay, now students, steps to draw pie chart. What we will do? First we will calculate the central angle for each component. Second, we will draw a circle of any radius. Third, within this circle we will draw a horizontal radius. Then starting with the horizontal radius, we will draw sectors whose central angles given by using protractor. Okay, not by using compass. And then we will shade each sector, or there is no need to shade also. And but we will mark also. Okay, dear. So let's start drawing of pie chart. Okay. Now, this question is the table shows choice of food for a group of people, and we have to draw a pie chart to show this data. Let's see this. You can see favorite food of some people in a that is in different country, or the part of the some part of the country, North Indian, South Indian, Chinese and others. You can see the number of people who liked North Indian food is 30, and the number of people who liked South Indian food is 40. The number of people who liked Chinese food is 25, and others are like 25. Okay dear, so now at first we have to find the central angle of each component. Okay, so at first we will create a table, but before that we will add all the number of peoples. So 30 plus 40 plus 25 plus 25, that will be 120. Now here we have drawn a table like this. You have to also draw a table. First we will keep favorite food, then number of people, and then central angle we will find. Everything I have written. Now at first for the formula is what? Central angle is equal to value of component, means 30 we will write in numerator, and the total value we will write in denominator, it means 120, and into 360 we will multiply like this. 30 by 120 into 360. Now if you will solve it, you can see 0 0 cancel, then it will be 12 3 ja 36. It means after dividing 360 by 120 we will get 3, and 3 into 30 will be 90 degree. Okay, done. Same as 40 by 120 into 360, 123 ja, and 3 into 40 will be 120. Again 25 by 120 into 360, 120 will divide 360 by 3, then 3 into 25, 75 degree, and this is also 25, so same 75 degree. Now we know all the angles. North Indian 90 degree, South Indian 120 degree, Chinese 75 degree, others 75 degree. Now in next slide we will draw pie chart by using this data. So in next slide you can see here. Now at first what we will do? We will draw a circle of any radius. Draw a circle of any radius. We can name it OA. O here, A here. Okay. Yes. O and A. Now after that what we will do? Okay. Now you can see here we will keep the protector. Keep the protector on center of the circle and mark 90 degree and draw a line OB. Now I have kept one protector here, you can see. Okay. Now 90 degree, where it is 90 degree? It is 90 degree now, you can see here. So here we will mark B. Okay. We will mark B. Okay. And now remove the protector and draw a line. which we can say OB. Done. Now again, after that, we will get the new line which is OB. Now we will keep the protector on OB, not on OA. Okay. So now again we will keep the protector on OB and we will mark 120 degree and draw a line OC. Here like this we can keep the protector. You can see center should be same. Okay. Middle of the protector will be the center. Now 120 degree here it is. It means here we will point C. We will mark C. Okay. Now again remove the protector. Now we will join O to C. Okay, done. Now again we will get the new line OC. Now we will again keep the protector on OC. Keep the protector on OC and now we will mark 75 degree. After the 75 degree now. So now keep the protector again. So 75 degree it should be here. Now we will mark here D. Okay. Now remove the protector and draw the line. Done. OD. Okay, so after that what? After that, after 75 degree, only one sector left. That will be 75 degree, simple. So there is no need to draw it. So central angle of the remaining sector will be also 75 degree. Now we will mark it. This is 190 degree, so we will say it North Indian. It is 120, so it is South Indian. It is Chinese, so it is 75 degree, and the remaining sector is others, so 75 degree again. Done. So like this we can draw it. Now students, let's see another question. Now the number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Now we have to display the data in a pie chart. This is the table. Languages, Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali and the total value given. So number of students already given. Okay. Now, so again we will find the total number of students. It is already given. So we can say 72 students. Now we will draw a table because we have to find the central angle also. So now the total value is 72. We will keep 25 on in numerator and 72 on denominator and into 360. So we know that 72 5 is 360. 72 5 is 360. It means after dividing 360 by 72 we will get 5. Okay, and then 25 into 5 it will be 125. Done. Same as 20 by 72 into 360. 72 5 ja again 360 and 5 into 20 will be 100 degree. Again 9 by 72 into 360. 72 5 ja and 5 9 ja 45 degree. Again 7 by 72 into 360. 72 5 ja and 5 7 ja 35 degree. Again 11 by 72 into 360. 72 5 ja and 5 11 ja 55 degree. Okay. So now we have got the angles. Hindi 125 degree, English 100 degree, Marathi 45 degree, Tamil 35 degree and the rest Bengali is 55 degree. Okay. So now we will use this data to draw the pie chart. Let's see in the next slide. Okay. Now dear, at first we will draw a circle of any radius. Draw a circle of any radius. We can name it OA also. Okay. O and A. O is here and A will be here. Okay. Now, after that we have to keep again a protector on the center of the circle. So keep the protector on center of the circle and mark 125. First 125 degree and we will draw a line OB. Okay. Here we will keep the protector. 125 should be here. Yes. So here we will mark B. Okay. We will mark B. Okay. And now we will remove the protector first and then draw a line. OB. Done. Again we will get OB line, new line. So again we will keep the protector on OB. Okay. You can see here, keep the protector on OB and now the next angle is 100 degree. 100 degree here. So we will mark it C here. Okay. And then remove the protector and join O to C. Done. Again we will keep the protector on OC. Okay. And we will mark now 45 degree. 45 degree is, yes, it is here. We will mark D here. Okay. And now remove the protector and join O to D. Done. Okay. Again we will keep the protector on OD and we will mark 35 degree. Okay. So here we have kept 35 degree and then we will mark it at 35 degree should be here. Yes. We will mark it E. Now remove the protector and join O to E. Done. So rest one is the 55 degree angle. Now write the name of this: 125 degree Hindi, 100 degree English, 45 degree Marathi, and again 35 degree Tamil, and the rest 55 degree Bengali. Okay. So like this we can draw pie chart. Okay students, so I hope that you all have understood that how to draw the pie chart. In 2 questions I have already explained everything, each steps. Okay. So students, in your homework you have to complete RSYL book exercise 24A question number 1 to 6, and you have to draw pie chart with pencil here. Okay. So thank you dear.